Hi everyone, in this video I will show an interesting tool. It's called Kudoboard. So this is a portal where you can come and create various cards and share it with your friends, family, relatives and colleagues to share their kudos. So you can empower teams to recognize each other's with online group cards. You can create personalized e-cards for birthdays, work anniversaries, farewells and much more than that. So there is a business plan, there is a normal Kudoboard. So it has been helping people across the world to give kudos to each other. It could be a thank you card, it could be a team celebration, or it could be a work anniversary or a retirement. So you can create your own kudo cards and invite people, and at the end, once it is done, you can deliver it to the recipient. So this is how it works. So as you can see here, this is the various kinds. So this is a farewell card. So I'll show you a farewell card. So let me click on farewell. Okay, so here if you see, so this is what people have written. They can add images, they can add GIFs and create farewell cards. So now let me take any occasion. Okay, whether it is a work anniversary, birthday celebration. Okay, so I'm saying, let's know what should be the title be. Congrats on 5-year anniversary at work. Okay, so I'm going to say next. So invite multiple people to add content. Single post means it's perfect if you are the only contributor. Want to include a gift card. So upon Kudo delivery, your recipient can redeem funds collected for a gift card of their choice. So if you don't want that, I can just say next. Then I can log in with my Google account or with my email and set it up. So you can see I have created that Kudo card after logging in. So congrats on 5-year anniversary at work. So here maximum post I can have is 5. If I want to have more posts, then I'll have to upgrade it. Okay. So now this is good for a small audience, otherwise you can upgrade it. So you can come to the board and here you can share this board with anyone. So you can invite collaborators, you can share this with anyone. So they can come here and put their post on this Kudoboard. So you can put the recipient. So this is how the recipient will see. Okay. So now let me go there and add various things here. So I can say add to the board. Okay, so now I can add an image, add a GIF. So a GIF can be added from work anniversary. Let's see if there is any GIF that is available there. Yeah, so okay, so these are the ones that is available. Okay, so now I put this. So I'll say you have been from day one. Wish you all the best and continued success. Okay, so this is what I say, and I say I can post it as my name, or I can just change it and say post. So now if I say post, it will come here. So you see, you can see this here. Now if I want, I can view it as a recipient. This is how it will look like. See, now if I want to share it, I can share it, this Kudoboard. Now if I want to download or print it, there is an option to download or print as well. So in this way you can share your kudos to your friends, relatives and colleagues. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.